Hi there, this is Jamie of the Unlikely Homeschool. If you've been following me at all, you're probably well aware of my coffee addiction. I'd like to think of it more of I'm a coffee enthusiast instead of an addict. I really only drink 1 cup of coffee a day. It's just that I nurse that 1 cup of coffee from about 10 in the morning until dinner time. Now, ordinarily this wouldn't be such a bad thing for me to harbor my cup of coffee, but it typically hangs out at the school table surrounded by books and craft projects and science supplies, and that, coupled with my very klutzy behavior, has created quite a series of unfortunate events. Now, I could tell you about the countless library books and workbooks that have been ruined because of my coffee addiction, but I thought it would be better to show you. So first you have the math fact flashcard, and if you can see, it's got quite a little smattering, a little speckling of coffee. And then there's the phonics chart, whose whole right side is completely covered in coffee. And then you have the phonics lesson plan guide, whose bottom half has coffee stains on it. But the worst was a couple of years ago, my school calendar got completely drenched in coffee, and as you can see, there's not a single page that isn't stained in brown. Now, I'd like to say that most of this happened because of childish behavior, but I would be remiss if I didn't own up to it myself. Most of it happened because of my slippery fingers. That's why I was really excited to receive my very own copy of the Waterproof Bible. Barden and Marcy Publishing have produced this completely 100% water and stain resistant Bible made of synthetic materials. Now let me just show you how waterproof and stain resistant it is. Here is the infamous cup of coffee. Let's see if it can tackle my brown brew. Notice how it completely drips right off the page and wipes right up without leaving a stain. Now, out of the 4 designs that Barden and Marcy publish, I chose the pink. I also ordered it in ESV, but it does come in 6 different popular versions. I'm sure you're wondering, just like I did, if it's waterproof and stain resistant, then will it repel all of my Bible markings that I do during my personal study? But I'll just show you really quick with a pen and a marker. Don't know if you can see that. It doesn't repel ink or highlighter. Now, on the whole, you're probably better off using a dry highlighter, such as a yellow pencil, but it does work on highlights. So, as well as being waterproof, one of the other perks about this particular Bible for me is its user-friendly size. I do my own personal study from an ESV study Bible, and as you can see, it's kind of a beast of burden. But the waterproof Bible is significantly smaller, and so then when I'm going out for coffee with a girlfriend or for my ladies' Bible study, I can just toss this into my purse and go. It does tend to be a little bit heavier than a Bible of similar size, but it's that synthetic paper that makes it that way. You need the synthetic paper to be waterproof. So be sure to read the rest of my review to learn more information about the Waterproof Bible and learn how and where you can order one for your own. Bye-bye for now. Thanks for following the Unlikely Homeschool.